Good evening, folks. Welcome to another Tip Tuesday. My name is Henry Arth, and today I wanted to show you a little bit of a secret cheat code, if you will, a global variable, which allows you to add a piece of equipment and an event type to multiple work orders that are open simultaneously. So that might not sound like anything crazy or anything, and it's not, but historically IndySoft didn't really work that way. So initially it was more of a receive items in the shop, and we wanted to make sure that nobody was creating duplicate work orders unnecessarily and things like that. And so it was kind of a helpful block. But as you kind of get down the road a little bit for on-site work and maybe for the new service agreement module and service contracts, you probably want to schedule the same piece of equipment in a lot of scenarios every month and be able to schedule that well in advance. So this would be a necessary component for that moving forward. So we may have an easier interface to turn this on later, but I'll just show you the behavior right now. So if you look at work order number 4 here, I have a calibration event with the ID asset number 1 here. And so if I create a brand new work order, number 5, and I try to add that exact same piece of equipment, asset 1, and press OK, it tells me that this is already on work order 3 and work order 4 actually, and it cannot be put onto another work order until it has been completed. Well, that's not going to work for me. So anyway, that's what this is really about. This little code here, if you want to call it that, IDDQD, if you're a Doom fan, I'm not sure. System-wide preferences, and you go to variables and allow work order repeat equip. You have to create a variable with that those exact same words with the underscores and everything, all capitalized, and you also need a text value of 1. And so once you enable it, you have that in place. You press OK. I'll actually reload my settings as well. Then you can actually go over here and create a perform the exact same action here, add the same piece of equipment, and lo and behold, there you go. It's on there. So that will work for events, and here you would get blocked in events otherwise as well. The only way you could technically have, without having that global variable enabled, to have multiple open work orders with the same equipment and events would be to do it through the estimate system, and that might not be applicable to what you're doing. So if you turn that on, make sure you do it responsibly and that you know that kind of what you're doing there. The other piece of this is one small code change to 13.0, which we added to help kind of remedy situations where maybe you don't have the best workflow and you don't have all your options in place. It's kind of a fail-safe. So if I go to this piece of equipment and I go ahead and run the calibration event, which exists in all these different work orders, and I don't specify the work order here, we're going to capture that moment, and we're going to say, hey, this doesn't exist on the reference work order, but it does exist in at least one other work order. Please select the appropriate order. You can come in here, and these are all the places where that item and that event are still open and can be referenced here. So you'd have to know which work order it is, but generally you would think somebody would know which work order they're working on. We also have several other options to automatically default this into place, and you also have options in workflow to default that through a number of processes. But this is your final fail-safe, so you can do this and not feel too scared of anything that's going to happen. So you press OK, and that's going to basically update that to be number 3, the work order in the event, and therefore we'll end up completing work order number 3. And yes, as you can see, it's completed. So just a little bit of a tip there for you. Nothing too crazy, but you have to have that global var on if you do want that functionality. I hope you guys have a great week and happy calibrating.